Lemon slice, I just love it. Perfect with a cup of tea. So I'm going to show you my speedy recipe. Very minimal ingredients. So I'm going to start with some digestive biscuits and I've just placed them into a blender so they're broken down into a crumb just like this. I'll add some lemon. So this is the zest of 2 lemons. If you don't like your lemon, this is not the dessert for you because it really packs a punch with that beautiful flavour. Along with some desiccated coconut, some butter that I've melted. That's going to bring everything together. And I'll also add some condensed milk. So this is just 1 can of condensed milk. Pour that in. Fantastic. And now we want to give this a really good mix just to evenly distribute all of that coconut. And what we're looking for is a bit of a wet sand-like consistency so we can mould it into our tray. So just use the back of the spoon and just work all of that in together. That's looking good. So I'm going to use a 16 by 25 centimetre tray, just like this one. I've greased it and I've also put some baking paper that overhangs slightly. That's just going to make it really easy to demould later on. So we'll take our wet sand mixture and we'll place it into our tray. And then again, using the back of a really large spoon, we want to press this into the tray. And then once you've pressed the whole lot in, get your spoon and just go over the top, smoothing it out. And that's looking just about right. Okay, we'll pop that to one side while we make the icing. So I've got lots of icing sugar here. And into this, we're going to add just a very small amount of butter that I've cooled down. And then the lemon juice. Now we'll need roughly half a cup of lemon juice, which is about 3 lemons, but all lemons are different. So I'm wanting you to have a look at the consistency. You want to be able to dollop this icing. So I'll start with 2 lemons, squeeze them in, give this a really good stir, and if it needs more, then we can simply add a little more lemon juice. This is the consistency that we're after. See how that can be dolloped? That's what we're after. So this delicious lemony icing goes straight over our biscuit and just drizzle that over. Ooh, look at that. Scrape the bowl. We want all of this lovely coating on top. And then with a spatula, just spread that out again so it's quite even and it covers all of that biscuit base. That is looking very nice. Now to give it an extra lemony flavour, why not? I've got 2 lemons reserved, so let's add some more lemon zest just to make it look extra pretty. Fantastic. All right, you can't eat this straight away, you have to be patient. This goes into the fridge for at least 3 hours, or even better, leave it in the fridge overnight. And here it is, our lovely lemon slice. Let's take it out of the tin. It's completely cold, and we'll just carefully just pull away that baking paper. Now, when you want to slice this and you want to get the perfect cuts, I highly recommend just having some hot water on standby, popping in your sharp knife, and then we'll get those perfect slices. So let's cut little ones straight down there, and you'll see no snapping will happen. And let me just pull that away to show you this perfect slice in the centre. Look at that oozing icing, just right. I'll add the knife back to that hot water and then just wipe it with a tea towel. And then we'll cut it into little slices. There you go. I'm going to pop it onto a plate. If you're going over to a friend's house and you want to take them something, I highly recommend making these gorgeous lemon slices. They're super decadent and delicious, and that amount of lemon in this is necessary because it really complements the richness of the biscuits and the butter. I'm going to have a little taste. The perfect way to serve this is just as is, lots of that icing, and a cup of tea. Perfect in the afternoon.